Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the exact place you want to change. This is the only reliable route. Sign into Roblox, go to Create, then My Creations, and Open Games. Locate the game and expand its places list with the three-dot menu. Once seen, click the specific place's Edit in Roblox Studio button to launch Studio directly into that place. Doing this ensures you edit the right file rather than a copy, so changes save back to the place ID you intend to modify. Once Studio opens the place, focus your edits by using Explorer and Properties to select objects, scripts, and services. Make code and layout changes in small, verifiable steps. This reduces risk when hitting Save. Save directly to Roblox with File Save to Roblox to commit to the place ID. Do not rely solely on local saves. Then test locally with Play Solo, and if stable, publish incremental updates. This workflow explains why opening the place from the website matters. It preserves correct place linkage and version history. To finish, publish the place by choosing File, then Publish to Roblox. That pushes edits to the live place ID. Make sure players see your updates by testing the published place on the web page. If changes didn't take effect, the first troubleshooting step is to confirm you open the correct place ID from the game's places list. Often a similarly named place causes confusion. If needed, open version history to restore or duplicate a stable snapshot. This gives you a safe rollback without losing work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.